Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the Spanish Town Depot and we are going to talk about the hiring of hundreds of bus drivers in Jamaica. Now recently the government brought in over 200 new buses 200 buses in 1 year. 100 JUTC buses came in, those were new, and 100 used or 110 used school buses came in for the start of the September school year. So that means in addition to the buses that were here already, the JUTC would have to find 210 new drivers. Now they did and remember there are also private bus companies in Jamaica, so they need drivers as well. So we are going to go through an article that gives more information on what's going on. And guys, I want to ask you guys a question. Where are the school buses? Where do they park them? Where do they keep them? Because I thought they would have been at the Spanish Town Depot, but there are none here. These are some of the new buses that recently came in, the last allotment of 100, along with some buses that were in the fleet before. But I want to know where they keep these school buses. Does anybody know? Leave a comment in the section below. I can't imagine they would keep them in Rockfort because they're for the rural school bus system. That's why I just figured Spanish Town would have been the place. And Portmore has mostly CNG buses, so let us know because we'd love to make videos of them. More than 120 drivers are currently being trained island-wide for the National Rural School Bus Program to ensure a high level of professionalism under the program. A fleet of buses alone cannot succeed without the people, the systems and the structures to support it. The training of drivers goes beyond driving. It covers child supervision, emergency response, and the laws that protect our students, said Minister of Science, Energy, Telecommunications and Transport, Honorable Daryl Vaz. The minister was addressing a blessing ceremony for the National Rural School Bus Program. Providing details about the program's operations, Mr. Vaz said it is supported by dispatchers, coordinators, and maintenance teams for comprehensive and seamless service delivery. The minister pointed out that regional support hubs are also being established and daily sanitation and maintenance routines are built into the operations of the program. In addition, a dedicated rural school bus division within the Jamaica Urban Transit Company is in place to oversee and ensure reliable service. This is not a rushed experiment. This is a necessary intervention to have these buses rolled out in September, Mr. Vaz emphasized. The minister pointed out that thousands of students across 258 schools will start to benefit from the program in September. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.